working on the window frames. These are all window frames right here. There's a total of 6 that are going into the underwater room that we're making right now. I think we made 7 frames though, so there's 4 here, 5. Here's number 6 and 7. Oh, okay. So there's 2 parts to the frame. There's an inner part, and I'm not sure if this is the inner part or the outer part. So one slides over top of the other, and it kind of holds the window in between it. So there's quite a bit of work being done to make these. We have about 4 guys working on these to put them all together. And here's the drilling machine to make those holes that go all the way around. So we have these holes here, and it's a pretty major drill that we need to use to make these holes. It's not a normal drill. The steel is very thick. I think that's 12 millimeter steel, so it's pretty heavy duty. And there we go. I think most of the hole is already drilled, but maybe they're making them a little bit bigger, or they're probably marking them, and they're going to take this piece off and then drill them through at the bottom. I think that's what they're doing. Yes. Yeah, so you can see that there's just the mark that has been made all the way around. And see, it hasn't been made on this one. So they'll finish all the holes, making guide holes, and then they'll lift this up, and then they'll go through all the way. Alright, so the guys are working on the underwater windows, and we're just now setting the exact perimeter of the underwater windows. So we have to line it up precisely with the hole, and then what we're doing, as soon as we have one spot lined up, then he's going to go in here with the welding machine and weld it. So he's just going to tack it into place. He's not going to do a full weld, just enough to hold it in place. And then they do the next piece and go all the way around until the whole thing is set.